getting hard. I'll make some paper we can cut. There's one. Little critter coming to eat your garden. Another critter coming to get your stuff. Critter, come and get your stuff. Alright. Well, let's see. Yeah, we better. Yeah, that's still liquidy inside. Alright, well. We'll be back. Outdoors. Now, any of you who cannot shoot your guns at your house probably should not shoot your gun with wax bullets at your house, because it would still be discharging a firearm in the city limits, which in most cities it's not allowed. So I'm going to poke one of these bullets right through here and see what happens. And I'm just leaving the tinfoil on the bottom because we want that. And it looks like, that's not too good. Let me mush this down flat and see what happens. Well, we'll see if it fires. We got nine or so here to work with. That wax wasn't even completely hard, but almost like it sealed up and closed up in layers. We'll just try it and see. I don't know how well this part's gonna work. Seems like the tinfoil's mushing down into the wax. Yeah, that one didn't work worth a crap. So maybe this stuff needs to cool even more, or maybe I need to peel the foil, or maybe I need to be. Well, let's keep trying. Take this outer tinfoil off, because it doesn't seem to be helping. Let's try just with this original box here. Yeah, it seems like the foil is, that one's alright, pushing down into the wax. There we're going. I'm getting some of these should go alright, I think. And then we're going to want to clean all the extra off. But, what do we got? 1, 2, 3. We'll have 6 here in a minute anyway. There may be other ways to do this. I don't know. I'm just making it up as I go along. So, take 6 of these, knock some wax off, and see if we can't take care of those varmint problems. Alright. Yeah, with the foil, going through the foil was kind of messing everything up, so I just been poking the primed cases right into the wax. And this wax is soft enough that it seems to go really nice. And just kind of wipe the outside. You get pretty much all of it off with your fingers. That's about, I'd say about a 1/2 inch thick. Really close. And these things just cut right through it. And then you'll get your leftover pieces that you can recycle. Sweet! So I got a bunch of them right now. I got like 30 of them made already. I got the pistol loaded up full of them. So let's go see if we got those vermints over there finished off. Check this out. Here's one of the projectiles. Pretty much intact. This is carpet hanging here behind this guy. And there was, okay, yeah, they're still stuck in the carpet right here. Like one, yeah. Alright. So check it out. The rain quit. It's another day. And I still got a mess of these wax bullets that I made yesterday or whichever it was, the day before. So we get to practice now. I got the revolver loaded up. You can watch the shadow. You can watch the shadow. See what he's doing. See that little stump there? Let's see if we can go. Oh, that was kind of close. That was a miss. And the quick draw, because I hear about way too many people that shoot themselves in the foot, shoot themselves in the ankle. First thing is, a semi-automatic pistol is not the proper piece of equipment for doing that. Neither is this. Single action. And once again, these are just cases that have been primered and shoved down into about a 1/2 inch of wax. So about that much, about half of that is the wax projectile. So I'm reloaded again. New batteries in the camera. We're going to try this quick draw stuff. So this could actually be lower on my hip and tied off. That's all of them. I'm gonna go back 20 feet, and I noticed these kind of swerve through the air, but I wanna do some actual aiming and shooting and finish off that varmint that's eating the garden. Alright, so let's see if we got any. It looks almost like the lead bullets do when you go to the range. Kind of mushroomed at the top. So you could probably put out a window if you're not careful.